Good morning, folks. How you guys doing, man? Mr. Murphy coming at you this morning with a quick video on how to use ScreenCastify to create exciting videos of yourself using the webcam feature and using the take the whole desktop and record everything and me feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my web browser. Move these pop-ups showing up. Come on, Ms. Fuller, let's move that out the way. Let's move that out the way. Okay, it's still in the way. So I'm gonna move this down. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna click right here on this little icon, looks like a pink arrow pointing to the right. It says ScreenCastify. When I hover over it, I'm gonna go Webcam Only. My microphone is set to internal mic. My camera is set to my FaceTime camera, my built-in camera. I'm gonna hit record. It's gonna count down. And right now, it's recording me. I got the button up on again. It's Tuesday. It's lovely. But I'm not going to talk a whole lot because that's not the purpose of this video. I just want to show you guys how it looks when you use ScreenCastify and the webcam feature to record yourself. Boom. So now I'm going to go up, down here, up, down, to where it says stop. I'm going to stop my recording. All right. And now here's the video of me previewing. I'm not going to play it. I don't care about this right now. I just want to show you guys the process. So now, like, it's me. I'm looking at me. It's crazy. So I'm going to delete this one. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for your first exercise. Exercise 1 from the ScreenCastify assignment or assignments. Now, exercise 2, I want you guys to record yourself completing the My Favorites activity, the last relationship building activity we're going to do for right now. So I'm going to go and tell it to record desktop. I'm going to show more options, but I don't need to count down yet. 3 seconds. Show the drawing tools in case I want to draw on anything, but I'm not going to. And now I'm going to hit record, and it's going to start asking me what I want to record. My entire screen. I'm going to hit share. Entire screen, hit share. So right now it's recording me. I'm gonna go to this My Favorites activity, and I typed some stuff in here already. So Chicago PD, Big Bang Theory, my favorite foods. Oh, shoot. Mac, I didn't mean to put that. Mac and cheese, love it. Fried chicken and ribeye steak. And you can fill out all this stuff. You're going to for another assignment, but I'm going to stop right here. But I can click on all of these fields: favorite sports, favorite color, name 2 of your favorite people and why you like them. Bunch of stuff about you, man. That's what it is. I'm going to go back down here to my ScreenCastify thing, and I want to hit that. It says my desktop is being recorded. I'm going to hit this stop button. I don't want to do that anymore. So now I have this video. I'm going to rename it ScreenCastify Demo. Hit enter. And I'm going to click on copy shareable link. Copy. And now I can paste this link wherever I want to. I'm going to post it in the chat even though I'm not chatting with anybody. It's crazy, right? There it is in the chat. But I got to go to class. I'll see y'all later. Peace.